sir, we are from India's first school media platform, EFA Media, and my name is Dinali Munjal. Sir, would you introduce yourself?
I'm Jaydev Ranade. I came here for the Bhopal Literature Festival, and we've just finished a session on China.
Yes, sir. Sir, what was the concept about your session? The main concept of the session?
Well, the title of the session was China, a permanent friend or permanent enemy?
Yes, sir.
And in that, the moderator, Brigadier Agarwal, he asked whether there is any possibility that India and China would make up, whether we could get along together. And I think, so that was the theme around which session was built.
Sir, a question that arises कि अभी सर हम बहुत सुनने को देखते हैं कि इंडिया और चाइना दे आर इन कोल्ड वॉर, तो सर वो असल में एग्जैक्टली है क्या? द क्वेश्चन इज दिस कि जो वो कोल्ड वॉर है वो है भी या नहीं?
मैं उसको कोल्ड वॉर नहीं कहूँगा, मैं ये कहूँगा कि हम फिलहाल ऑफिशियल लेवल पे बात नहीं कर रहे हैं।
ओके।
पर ट्रेड चल रहा है,
Yes,
तो उतना तो कोल्ड वॉर है नहीं।
हाँ।
ये बात है कि गोलियां नहीं चल रही हैं बॉर्डर पे।
ओके सर।
बट ये शुरुआत ऐसे हुई कि अप्रैल 2020 में सडनली अचानक से चीन जो है अपने ट्रुप्स को भेज दिए हमारे पास, उनके आर्मी को, और हम लोगों ने काउंटर बिल्डअप की बहुत क्विकली, बहुत रैपिडली, और उनको रोक दिया। तो अभी स्थिति ये है कि 70,000 चीन के ट्रुप्स और 70,000 हमारे पूरे बॉर्डर पे तैनात हैं अभी भी। तो अब ये कोल्ड वॉर है 2020 अप्रैल। अब ये कोल्ड वॉर है या नहीं है ये मैं डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर सकता हूँ, बट रिलेशंस काफ़ी टेंस है। अभी परसों ही हमारे आर्मी चीफ ने कहा है कि बॉर्डर इज स्टेबल बट इट इज़ वेरी टेंस। मतलब गोलियां नहीं चल रही हैं बट तैनात हैं, हाँ, वी आर अलर्ट। सो दैट इज द सिचुएशन एट द मोमेंट, एंड वी हैव ऑल्सो रियलाइज्ड इन दिस that we cannot trust the Chinese.
Yes.
After all, we have signed 8 or 9 agreements with them,
of course,
and they have ignored all of them.
So, exactly from when this war was started between India and China?
Abhi, this time.
Sir, from past decades.
Well, I mean, that was first was in 1962.
1962.
When we had the first India-China war, we were not prepared. We didn't expect them to come, but they came and they hit it. There are differing views on how it started, whether we provoked it or whether they did it. Some people say that our Prime Minister at that time, Jawaharlal Nehru, followed a forward policy and that is how he provoked the conflict.
Yes,
but I would say, by reading what I have on the Chinese literature and what was happening in Tibet, that the Chinese had started preparing for it for at least 2 years earlier.
Means from 1960?
From 59 or 60, they had decided that they are going to
start a war.
Yeah, and all their statements, they look at Asia as their backyard.
Okay.
That they will be the dominant, preeminent power in Asia. Whereas if you look at Nehru's statements,
Yes, sir.
it was always that there is enough space for all of us.
Okay.
So that is not the Chinese thinking.
Yes, of course, sir. So, sir, I understand the concept between China and India. So, apart from this, sir, what message you would like to give our students regarding your session, regarding the cultural program or the cultural टेंसनेस? मतलब अगर मैं सीधे बोलूँ कि जैसे चाइना आगे क्या करेगा वी डोंट नो, इंडिया आगे क्या करेगा वी डोंट नो, तो सर आगे की सिचुएशन को कम करने के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
2 चीज़ें हैं। एक तो है कि हमें अपने आप को स्ट्रेंथन करना चाहिए इकोनॉमिकली एंड अदरवाइज, विच वी आर डूइंग.
Of course.
The second is we must continue to try and see if there are opportunities to diffuse tensions by talking to the Chinese.
Yes, sir.
Chinese are not responding today because we have said you have to go back to your old positions of where you were in
Yes,
April 2020. But maybe over time circumstances will compel them to go back.
Yes, sir.
So I think that is the effort. We have a bit of diplomacy and dialogue as well as military alertness on the border.
And sir, last question, sorry sir, but हम देखते हैं कि POK चलता है, पाकिस्तान ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर, बट कहते हैं कि अ स्मॉल पार्ट चाइना हैव आल्सो ऑक्यूपाइड
शक्सगम वैली।
हाँ सर, तो सर उसका क्या है?
शक्सगम वैली पाकिस्तान ने एक एग्रीमेंट साइन की थी चाइनीज़ के
ओके
साथ।
सर।
Chinese felt that Shakshagam Valley is important to them. So Pakistan ceded it to them. We objected. We said, look, that is our territory. How can you cede it? So the Chinese said that as and when two countries reach an agreement on this, then we will negotiate with whoever is at that time in lawful possession of this. Now we have subsequently we have abolished Article 370. That whole territory is now ours. So that is the situation as it stands.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much.
I was really glad to talk to you.
Thank you.